These are brand new best friends because of this workshop. So what did you like about the workshop the most, aside meeting your new best friend?
To be playful and silly.
If you had someone to tell them to come to the workshop, what would you tell them to get them in here?
I would tell them it's a must. It's a must. You'll learn a lot, and it's something that you need to for your classroom. Everybody needs it.
They need to step out of their comfort zone and just come and enjoy having fun and
Being silly.
being silly, yeah.
So
If
that
you
we
want
got-
someone that's captivating and he just grabs your attention really quick. He's just great at making you want
And
to
you make
listen.
new friends.
Yes.
Like 2 seconds ago.
What was your favorite part of the what was the figure exercise that you did?
I like the brain break. It's like a brain break with the what did he call it?
Pattern interrupts.
Pattern interruptions.
Okay.
And stuff, 'cause
I liked the different yoga things he taught. I thought that was interesting with the balance.
Yeah, that you had put your mind on something else. Yeah. Awesome. All right. No, I think this is great. Thank you so much.